Okay, good morning, everybody. Right now, I am looking for setups for New Zealand USD. I got in for a buy during London session, but now I'm waiting for a retracement to get back in for a buy. Still expecting this to be an uptrend for New Zealand USD. Did some consolidation this morning, so that's what I got out. Yo, can you guys hear me? So let's see what's going on. Today's Monday. Yeah, this main news is JPY, monetary policy statement, and BOJ outlet report. That's all tentative. So let's go to USD JPY. Let's see what's going on. I'm not in this trade, but if I was in this trade, I will look for a sell setup. If it retraces back up, if it comes back up here, I'll look for a sell setup to take down here. It's on a 4-hour. It looks like this pair is about to drop. It looks like the dollar's weak, and the straight is going to be with the yen. Okay, let's see what's going on. So the pair I traded this morning so far was GBP New Zealand during the London session. I got in for a sell, but obviously the market started to retrace up, so I will look for another opportunity to get back in on this trade. So right now, if it comes back up, I will look for a sell. Let me see where this is looking like. Yeah. I'll look back for a sell around this zone. If it comes back up, we're going to take the sell, ride it back down. And then GP CAD, same thing, looking for sell opportunities. So yeah, waiting for it to retrace back up. It might not go this high, but if it does, cool. Because I'm trying to take the trade for the sell back down. Since we are on a downtrend based off the 4-hour for GBP CAD. So I'm just being mindful based off the candlestick structure. I'm also trading Bitcoin. So I'm in buys right now for Bitcoin for those who do trade Bitcoin. Based off my analysis, I got in around the 78.6 retracement. The market is retracing up. So based off my alert right here, that's what I got in. And we are at least going up to the previous high. So my target would be here to potentially get out. I'm gonna look to see if we get here to get out. Potentially, if we go up here, great. But at least here, there should be some traction to see if we get out in the market. Okay. So yeah, so right now, let's focusing on GBP New Zealand, Bitcoin, and New Zealand USD. I just feel like we're consolidating. So I got out, but I'm about to look for entry one more time when we come back down. So it's important to understand market structure to understand where we at in the trend. So if we go back over here, this is the 45. Let's go to the hour chart real quick. We can understand we are in an uptrend basically because of this structure right here. So we created like a new high up here. So that's how I know, okay, we are coming to the upside. So we could play around in this range and break it. So that's why I'm being mindful. About to pop out this chat real quick. So right now it's a waiting game. I'm gonna look at indices next, like US 30 or NAS 100 during New York session to see what's going on. Okay, let's look at US 30. So we are on the uptrend still. I'm not getting a trade until I see a strong reversal candle on the 4 hour to get it on the sales. As you can see, it's very bullish right now. And then for NAS 100, same thing, very bullish right now. I don't see no strong 4 hour reversal candle, so I'm just gonna be mindful to wait. What else? So AUD USD, I'm not trading this pair. Don't see a great structure, so I'm gonna hold off on that. Let's look at gold. So for gold, I don't see no crazy setup for gold. Gotta see how news play out. But for gold, ideally, I want to look for sells when it comes around the zone area, around the 78.6 retracement before I take a trade to the downside. So I'm expecting some bullish momentum to the upside this week. So I have to sit that one out for now. Let me know what charts you want me to look through in the chat. Okay, so let me know what pairs you guys want me to look at. Right now for gold, I'm still waiting for sells. Waiting for the market to push up around 70.6 retracement and then come down to the downside. Because right now, based off what's going on in the market on a daily, we still have room to come down. You see these strong bearish candles on a daily. There's no strong bullish momentum. So right now I do see us potentially come up one last time before we drop down to create a new low. But that's what I see so far concerning gold. And then those who trade silver, yeah, we're still dropping. We go to the daily chart. Yeah. Ideally, I'm trying to see what happens when we get down to this area where this wick was, but there's so much momentum to the downside, so no buy opportunities yet for silver based off the structure. So let's check news one last time real quick. It's only Monday, so don't get too crazy in the market. There's opportunities in the London session earlier that I took advantage of, but right now still waiting to see what happens. But we check what's going on in the news for this week. We got Tuesday, those who trade New Zealand, there's going to be heavy news during the end of New York session. JPY pair is going to move randomly throughout today and tomorrow. But Wednesday is a huge day for those who trade the euro and the pound during the London session. There's all these high impact news that's going to affect the market. So you have to be mindful of what is going on. So hold on one moment. Any questions? Hit up the chat. Let me know. If you guys have any questions. Hold on one moment. Checking something. But yeah, so overall, there's going to be a lot of news Wednesday. So Wednesday, I am definitely paying attention to what's going on in the market. Okay, we got people from the UK. Shout out from the UK. Shout out to UK. Hold on one moment, everybody. Try to make sure my chat is working this morning. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Trying to make sure. And let me know what pairs you guys trade as well. Okay. Okay. So back to the news. So Wednesday, just be lookout for all the news that's happening, especially trading the CAD through New York session. Looks like about to be loaded. You got Friday, nothing too crazy. Someone says, "Which are you on TV?" Right now, my camera is not on, so you can't see my face right now. This morning, it has a still photo. Okay, let me know what pairs y'all want me to look at. So, for those who joining on the stream, I was trading New Zealand USD during London session. So, on TradingView, I'm Jew the Great. So yeah, I'm Jew the Great on TradingView. If you want to look me up on TradingView. So it's my TradingView right here. Jew the Great. Okay, so back to those who joined. So New Zealand USD, I got in a buy during London session. So I got in a buy and rolled it up for a scalp move. But the session came in and there's some bearish momentum coming in. So I got out. But I will look for a re-entry if the market comes back down near my 78.16 retracement area. So the 78.6 retracement area, I will look for buy opportunities if we trace back down to the upside. Because based off the 4-hour, we've been consolidating, but there's no evidence right now for it to at least create a new low. So if you even go to the daily chart, for those who understand the daily chart, higher time frame, and let me zoom out. We are on an uptrend. We just finally retraced all the way down here, and price is just playing around over here. So I expect the market to push up to the upside. And right now, my stream might be lagging a little bit with the connection, but it is what it is. So yeah, right now we're consolidating. I do see us to go up and push up. Definitely like and comment on the stream, subscribe, and check out some of my videos. I do weekly analysis in the market, so you can understand what's going on. And those who just joined in, so the pair that I was analyzing earlier was GBP New Zealand. So for GBP New Zealand, based off the daily chart, I see we're on a downtrend. So there's a lot of price rejection around this area. So I'm expecting it to come back down. So if I go to the 4-hour, I see this strong engulfing pattern, this bearish candle on the 4-hour. Let's zoom in. So this strong bearish candle. Let me see if I can show you guys a little better. So this strong bearish candle, this is the reason why I'm like, okay, let me look for sales today, because I was in sales on Friday but got out. So right now, obviously, the market is retracing up, so I'm looking for some sell opportunities when the market traces up, and I'm looking for it to aim down here. So that's my analysis so far. Someone had a question: if you buy 0.01 lot in Euro USD, how much can I gain with 10 points? So I would suggest researching a pip calculator. There's different apps that tell you how much you can make per pip. There's some on Baby Pip, but let me see if I can find it real quick to see if I can show you how you calculate pips, because I don't know off the top of my head how much a 0.01 would be. So hold on one moment. Well, let me go to 15 real quick. Yeah, I'm waiting for it to retrace up for new entries. Okay, hold on one second, guys. So right now in the chat, I put in a link where you could look to see how to calculate pips. Check out that link, and you could see how much you could calculate pick for certain currency pairs. But anyways, back to the stream. Right now, as you can see, the market's retracing up, but that's a good thing to get back in for a better entry for sales. So right now I'm waiting for it to get near my alert, the zone area, before I get some sales. Or if I see a great candlestick pattern, I'll get in for a sell based off the retracement. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, and check out my weekly analysis videos. Okay, we're getting some momentum because I'm trading on my account, so I like to monitor my account because I have like sell limits, trying to see if they're gonna get activated. Okay, hold on one second. Because I don't want to miss out on these opportunities as well. And Bitcoin, yeah, I'm still holding my buys. So let me go to Bitcoin real quick. So right now, based off the zone area, I have trades in. I'm still holding my buys to this target here. Right now, based off the 4-hour, like Bitcoin just been dropping. So I just have a minor buy. I'm gonna see how much it holds if we get to this target before I decide to get out. But I would say be cautious trading Bitcoin because right now there's strong bearish momentum overall. but I didn't go crazy with my risk for my buys, so I'm not too worried. So any other pairs you guys want me to analyze, comment on the chat. Okay, so let's go off to the next. Let's go to GBPUSD. GBPUSD is kind of messy right now. I'm still focusing mostly on buys because the target is still the same. We're aiming to the upside. Yeah, so we're still trading to the upside. We're still creating new highs, as you can see. Creating new highs. So a good way to enter this trade would be to come on the 15-minute. Go from the low to the high. And get in on a retracement. So if I also trade this, I will kind of see how price rejects around this zone before I get in buy to the upside. So it all depends how price rejects around the zone. Let's look at what else. And another pair I like to look at is EURAUD. EURAUD, I'm still looking to see if we're going to drop down before I catch a buy back up to the upside. So I'm not trading this pair right now. I don't see no good setup. Sometimes there might not be no good setup, and it's okay. So I highly suggest understanding candlestick patterns because it will make your trading confidence increase in taking setups. So that's about it. Hold on 1 second. Your New Zealand. This goes the same direction as EURAUD most of the time. So I am looking for sells on that. Okay. Yeah, so right now, your New Zealand is consolidating, but it's not creating highs, which lets me know we are about to come back down. GBP New Zealand. So yeah, let me know where you guys from in the chat. Probably wait to candle closure before getting in on the trade to see the 9 a.m. candle closure. Okay. And that concludes the stream. I'm about to be right back. Yo, what's up, everybody? Let me know in the chat what pairs you guys want me to look at or check out. Let me know. Cause right now we are waiting for 9 a.m. candle closure to see what's up with the market. Cause right now things are just playing out. So I'm just waiting for 9 a.m. candle to get back in some trades. Right now, GBP New Zealand looks like I'm about to get back on a trade. Let me look at the hour. Okay. Strong momentum right now on this 8 a.m. candle. My buys is still sells for now for GBP New Zealand. GBP CAD, based off the hour, we have some time to go. I'm still looking for sales when we get up to the zone. So that could happen later on today. So waiting for that. And right now we are near my zone. But I'm trying to see the candlestick structure to see if there's any like reversal pattern to give me more of a confidence for the sell in the zone area. Definitely like, subscribe. Let me know what you think of this stream. How can I improve? Any questions? But yeah, right now, just waiting for the candle to close on the hour so I can reanalyze some of these pairs. Let's look at gold real quick. Yeah, gold looks like it's dropping. Yeah, gold is still dropping right now. Looks like there's a lot of dollar strength at this time. US 30. No setup yet. By the way, to 9 a.m. Usually a lot of activities around 9. So it's waiting for that for the stock market to see what's going on. Silver, we're dropping, so definitely not looking for no buy opportunities. This seems like we're gonna come down here for silver. USD JPY. It's all about the news. The news probably gonna push it down. So probably be looking for sells on this pair. So that's my buys right now for USD JPY. Sells right now. NAS 100. Waiting to see what happens with this candle. Based off this candle closure, it looks like you might be coming down for some sells. It will create an engulfing pattern on the 1 hour. So that being said, I'm just gonna be waiting for the next 8 minutes for the candle closure. Okay, I'm about to be back. Okay, back. Right now, let me know what pairs you guys would like to see in the market. Right now, I'm looking at NAS 100. I'm trying to see what's going to happen with the candle closure on a 1 hour. It looks like it's going to drop down, so just waiting to see what happens on the 1 hour. Also looking at US 30, but I don't see anything popping for the 1 hour candle. You shorted everything. You shorted what pairs? Because some pairs are bullish and some pairs are bearish. But right now, at least NAS 100, all that, it looks like it's about to come back down. Because based off the 4 hour, it was crazy pushed upside. USD JPY. Okay. Yeah, USJPY. Yeah, I feel like that's a good choice because there is definitely strength in the yen. So I do see it coming down. As you can see, it's dropping right now for USD JPY. So that's probably good to hold yourselves. And news is coming out too. So I probably look for a re-entry. Knowing me, I like to re-enter in the market. If it comes back up, I'll look for a re-entry for a sell. But yeah, we are going down for the Japanese yen, USD JPY. So he has a good potential swing, minor swing. And then obviously here is the reverse. So New Zealand USD JPY should be going to the upside. But right now I do see an opportunity with NAS 100, so I probably would take it. Just waiting for the candle to close. Euro JPY, CAS CHF. Those are decent pairs. I like to focus mostly on a lot of the pound pairs. And right now I'm still buying Bitcoin at this time. So Bitcoin, I already bought Bitcoin. So based on my previous analysis, I believe I bought it during London session. I got in around my 78 retracement zone area. Oh snap. So I got in for a minor buy. But if we break through the zone, I have my stop loss. Bitcoin visit 32K before April. Heavy day. So we go to the daily. Let me go to the daily real quick. So yeah, Bitcoin. Ever since that Friday, the sell off, we are coming down. If we break this zone here, this red line, we definitely gonna be coming down lower to the 35s. Let me put it right here. We'll definitely be coming down to the 35s if we break through here. We break through what? The 40. But yeah, so right now I have a buy, but I'm not fully sold on my buy. Stuck on Bitcoin long position, but I'm paying off the long margin low. Too short Bitcoin. Yeah. Yeah, but I believe Bitcoin is gonna get past 48,000, but it's gonna take a couple months before it gets back that high again. But right now, I'm just going from zone to zone, so I just feel like we potentially could get back up to here before I get out. But let's see how this plays out with the candlestick patterns. But let's go back to NAS 100 since the candle is closed. So right now, let me even go to the 45-minute chart. Yeah, I might get some sales real quick. Yeah, all this momentum we should be dropping. So I feel like I'm at least a good position to cash some sales. So I might as well see what New York session brings. I think it's a good risk trade. Okay. Dario, make sure you subscribe to the stream, to the channel for more insights. And definitely check out my weekly Forex forecast video to see what I see for the week. But yeah, right now I'm adding more positions on NAS 100. If we retrace up, cool. I'll just get in more positions because right now I think it's a decent opportunity. Okay, let me write this down. On TradingView, you can find me. I subscribe. Thanks for the subscription. I'll be sure to add you on TradingView. Okay, looks like NAS1 just slowly dropping. We could retrace up a little bit, but let's go to a lower time frame. Let's go to the 15. Where are you from? I'm trying to see where people are from on the stream. We had someone from UK earlier. Trying to see if we got people from the US. NAS 100. Let me trade on my other account as well. Oh snap. Make sure I sell this. Okay. Correct. Okay. Nice. Just trying to see where people are at for my stream. It's good to know. So what else? What else? Pairs. Let's see GBCAD real quick. Not sold yet on that. So we got GB New Zealand. Looks like we about to come back down. So I'm getting some sales positions. That's 100. Focusing on sales for that. Okay. So yeah, right now we're pushing up a little bit. Let's go to 5 minute. So right now I'm trying to wait for. I'm in a trade for GP New Zealand for a sell, but I'm trying to wait for the candlestick pattern to show more of a bearish reversal to get back in for bigger positions. So right now I'm just playing it by ear. Any pairs you guys want me to analyze, put it in the chat. Right now, focus on GBP New Zealand sales and NAS 100 sales right now at this moment. Make sure to share the stream. Let me observe NAS 100 real quick. Let's go to 5-minute chart. Right now I'm trying to look for a re-entry. So if it comes back up, I'm going to stack on NAS 100. If NAS 100 comes back up here, I'm going to stack for some sales. Because I noticed we broke this structure, this trend here. So that's how I know we going down for NAS 100. So NAS 100 is good trade for today, New York session. What's going on with USD? Not sold on that, so now I'm gonna bother to check. Let's see what else I have. Let's go back to GBP New Zealand. Let's look at GBPJPY. This is a pair that a lot of traders like to trade. Right now, focusing on sales on this pair because I feel like there's a lot of strength for the yen happening. So let me go to USD JPY. But I have a price alert. So if it comes near, I will look for some sell opportunities for the yen. But yeah, I'm gonna wait till 9:30 before I hop off the stream. But just let me know you guys have any questions. So I got like 15 more minutes. So far, today is a profitable day. I'm about to be back in the market. Observing the Asian session, but really trading to London and New York. Hope you guys having a profitable trading day so far. But I'll be back. Right now, just waiting for retracements. Currently in a sell for NAS 100. I ain't waiting for GBP CAD to come up here, so I can look for sell opportunities. So probably by 9:30, I should look for more opportunities to get back in on the trade. looking too nice. New Zealand, consolidating, probably to the downside, but right now not looking too nice. Gold, not looking too nice for a setup. The only thing I see right now is NAS 100. So I'm gonna focus on that right now. NAS 100. About 9 more minutes. Be right back. So guys, I'm about to end the stream right now. It's a good trading so far to start the week. Waiting to get back in on this retracement for NAS 100, but pretty much just focus on sales at this time, and that's pretty much it. Definitely practice good risk management. Says only Monday, and like, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Take care, everybody.